Good morning, guys. It's Tuesday. What is it, the 23rd, I think? So I'm going to work on my little paper mache doggy and his bone. My hands don't hurt too much right now, but we'll see. Get my water and my glue. Oh, I need to find my string, don't I? Alright, let's see. Yeah, okay. Get situated here. Let's see. Oh. Okay. So let's try to unravel these. There's one. Carmen. Once this guy is done, he'll be $35. And the postcard is $7.50. Oh, come on. If my hands would just cooperate, that would be nice. This one didn't. There it goes. Okay. So I unravel these. Gotta figure out where the start is. I think it's right here. Doesn't really matter. I just gotta do a little bit of something before my grandchild wakes up, and I won't have a moment to myself to do it at all. My husband took today off, so. Okay. Oh, glue. I'm gonna cut the string now. Where's that? Sewing thread, whatever it's called. I'm gonna wrap it around. Ugh. Ouch. Okay. Hopefully that doesn't go anywhere. Okay. I think I'm going to start with his little. Just start with his feet. Okay. Just gonna wrap it. There's that one. I just need a little bit of another cotton wool. Do something like that. Take your thread. I'm going to start at the bottom. Oh my goodness. My heat's on, so the thread is flying everywhere. You just wrap it. So when you put the glue on, not all the cotton comes off on the paintbrush. And I can add a little bit more when I'm done gluing. Okay, so that's where it's going to end. Okay, so now paintbrush, some glue. The water helps to keep it. So you can kind of mold it. There's that one. I need some more cotton. What time is it? 7 something. It's wrapping it around. Okay. Wet the legs down a little bit. Add the glue. When this dries, whatever part is not hard from the glue, I just go over with a little bit more cotton to keep it a little bit more stable. Okay. 10 minutes. Let's see if I can do anything. Let's see. My husband stayed home today, so he can help me with the grandbaby. Oops, I tore that. Okay, let's see. I need to cut some more string. This is gonna be what, part 2 or something? Okay, so let's see. Have to go around. Oops. Okay. Adding the thread. Okay. Okay. I don't know how many parts this video will be. I decided that I'm not going to do my Patreon. I just don't have the time. And I thought at the time that it would be kind of fun to try to do, but I just can't keep up with the video. There's no way. I just don't have the time. Plus my hands hurt, and until I get all my health stuff figured out, that's just gonna have to be. I think I'm back hold. I don't know if you can like pause your account. I don't even know. I have to go look if I want to resume it, or I don't know how that works, or if you have to actually cancel. I don't know. I have to add some more cotton right there. It's okay. Now I gotta add his tail. Oh. So that's what it looks like so far. So I gotta let this dry. I'm trying to decide. Whoops! I'm trying to decide if I need to put paper clay on this, actual paper clay, to make it, because it's a bone. It may not look like one, but it's a bone. It's nothing else. So I think I might actually use regular paper clay. What do you guys think? Let me know. So this is going to be part 2. Sorry it's only 15-16 minutes long. But I have to get ready for the day. Plus I got to get my grandbaby up and going here. So I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Bye guys.